Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. Whether you're listening with coffee, on the bus, or relaxing at home, we're really happy you're here.
Today we're talking about a topic that comes up all the time in real life, family.
Because sooner or later, someone asks you something simple like, do you have brothers or sisters?
Or, are you close with your parents?
Or who do you live with?
And in that moment, you don't want to sound like a robot.
You want to sound natural, clear, and friendly.
So we'll practice the most useful ways to talk about family in everyday conversations.
We'll do short situations that feel real, like meeting someone new, chatting at work, talking about your weekend, or showing a family photo.
And we'll pause for simple explanations so you understand the phrases and can use them right away.
Then, near the end, you'll get a chance to speak with us, plus a short listening quiz.
Quick reminder, if you enjoy learning with us, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. Today's comment question is, what's one thing you usually do with your family?
It can be super simple, like, we have breakfast together on Sundays.
All right, Ben, let's start with a classic learner moment.
You mean the panic moment?
Exactly. Someone says, "Tell me about your family," and your brain goes blank.
Okay, imagine you just met me and you ask, tell me about your family.
Okay, tell me about your family, Ben.
Great, here comes my robot answer. My family is big. They eat food. And my father is my mother's husband, and my mom is married to my father.
Ben, stop. I love you, but that sounded like a dictionary trying to make friends.
I know, and honestly, lots of learners do this when they feel nervous.
So let's fix it with simple, natural sentences.
Most of the time, people start with something easy, family size.
Right. Instead of, "My family has 5 family members," people often say, "There are 5 of us in my family."
Or there are 4 of us.
Of us includes you. It's the whole group.
You can also say, I come from a big family, or I come from a small family.
Now, if you have no brothers or sisters, a very common phrase is, "I'm an only child."
And you'll also hear, I was an only child.
Here's the simple difference. "I'm an only child" means it's true now. "I was an only child" means when you were growing up, you had no brothers or sisters.
So both are correct. One is now, one is growing up.
Another helpful phrase is about birth order. You can say, "I'm the oldest," or "I'm the youngest," or "I'm the middle child."
Middle child, the one who says, hello, I'm here too.
Exactly.
And if you have a brother or sister born on the same day, you can say, I have a twin brother, or I have a twin sister.
Great. And one more thing that comes up a lot, who do you live with?
Yes, that question is everywhere.
You can answer very simply, "I live with my parents," or "I live with my mom," "I live with my husband," or "I live with my wife," or "I live with my partner," or "I live alone."
These answers are short, clear, and very common.
Great. Now let's jump into a real small talk moment.
I'm ready. I was born for small talk. Hey, nice to meet you. So, can I ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I do. I have an older sister and a younger brother.
Oh, nice. Are you close?
Yeah, we're pretty close. We talk a lot and we help each other.
That's great. Do you all get along?
Most of the time, yes. We get along well, but we argue sometimes.
Same. Families are families. Quick note, there's a useful word here, siblings. I'm going to say it once, then we go right back to the conversation.
Yes, siblings means brothers and sisters. So you can say, I have 2 siblings. That means 2 brothers and or sisters in total. For example, 1 brother and 1 sister, or 2 sisters, or 2 brothers.
But in real life, many people still ask, do you have any brothers or sisters? Both are correct. Choose the one you feel comfortable with.
Exactly.
Okay, back to our small talk. How often do you see your siblings?
My sister lives nearby, so I see her a lot. My brother lives in another city, so I don't see him that often.
But you stay in touch?
Yeah, we text and call.
Nice. That's a good balance.
Just to be clear, get along means you have a good relationship, and stay in touch means you keep contact, calling, texting, sending messages.
Cool. Now let's do another very common situation, work small talk.
Yes, this is that quick chat at work, like during a break.
And quick note, coworkers means people you work with.
Exactly, people you see at work.
Hey Emily, how was your weekend?
It was good. I visited my parents.
Oh, nice. Do you live near them?
Not really. They live about 4 hours away.
Wow, so you don't see them every week.
No, not every week. I try to visit when I can, but life gets busy.
I get that. And when you can't visit, do you talk?
Yes, we talk often. We call and we message.
Nice. Are you close with your parents?
Yeah, I am. My mom checks on me a lot.
Checks on you, like she asks if you're okay?
Exactly. She'll text, "Did you eat? Are you tired? How was your day?"
That is such a mom thing.
Totally.
What's your dad like?
He's calm and practical. He doesn't talk a lot, but he's always there when you need him.
That's a really nice way to describe someone.
And life gets busy is a soft way to say, I have many things to do.
And I try to is very useful. I try to visit means you make an effort.
Now let's talk about describing family members a little more. In real life, people ask, "What's your mom like?" Or, "What's your brother like?"
That means personality.
Exactly. So, Ben, tell me about your family.
Okay, there are 3 of us. My mom, my dad, and me. I'm an only child.
And what are your parents like?
My mom is kind and caring. She listens, she helps, and she worries because she loves us.
Very true.
My dad is easygoing. He's relaxed. He doesn't get angry easily.
Easygoing is a great word.
And they're supportive. They believe in me.
Supportive means they encourage you and help you.
Yes. Now your turn, Emily. Tell me about your family.
Okay, there are 5 of us. My mom is caring and organized. My dad is calm and funny. My older sister is responsible. She plans everything. My younger sister is social. She makes friends easily.
That sounds like a lively house.
It is.
Also, some learners ask, do I talk about my close family or my whole family, like aunts and uncles?
Good point. Your close family is usually your parents and your brothers and sisters. Your extended family is bigger: grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins.
So close family is small, extended family is bigger.
Exactly.
Speaking of extended family, let's add a few important words.
Grandmother and grandfather. Many people say grandma and grandpa.
Aunt and uncle.
Cousins.
And 2 more words people often forget, niece and nephew.
A niece is your brother's or sister's daughter.
A nephew is your brother's or sister's son.
Great. Now let's connect family with something people talk about a lot: weekends, meals, holidays, and family visits.
In other words, family traditions.
Yes.
So, Emily, do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we do. Every Sunday, we have a big lunch together.
Every Sunday?
Usually, yes. We cook a lot of food, we sit for a long time, and we talk.
That sounds cozy.
It is cozy. It feels warm and comfortable, but sometimes it's also a bit much.
A bit much, like too much?
Yes, Too many people, too much noise, and too many questions.
Ah, the questions.
Exactly. Like, are you dating anyone? Or when will you get married? Or when will you have kids?
That can feel stressful.
Yeah, I love my family, but sometimes I want more personal space.
Personal space means time and privacy for you.
Right.
In my family, we don't meet every week, but we try to meet often. We usually have dinner together once a month.
That's a nice tradition, too.
And usually means most of the time, but not always.
And one more quick meaning. A bit much is a polite way to say too much.
Okay, so when family asks those personal questions, how do we answer calmly and politely?
Exactly. Calm and polite, even if you don't want to share details.
I'll be the curious relative.
And I'll stay calm.
So, why don't you visit more often?
I try to visit when I can, but life gets busy.
Do you live near your parents?
Not really. They live far away, so I visit every 6 weeks or so.
Do you talk every day?
Not every day, but we stay in touch. We call or send messages.
Okay. And can I ask something personal?
Sure.
Are you planning to get married soon?
I'm not sure yet. And honestly, I'd rather not talk about it right now.
Fair enough.
Or you can say, it's personal. Or, it's a long story.
I'd rather not is polite, calm, and common. It matches what you said. I'd rather not talk about it right now.
And fair enough means, okay, I understand.
Great. And because we just talked about dating and marriage, this is a perfect moment to add two useful words, partner and in-laws.
Yes. If you're married, you can say husband or wife.
If you're not married, many people say partner.
Partner can be a boyfriend, girlfriend, or someone you live with. It's a simple modern word.
And if you marry someone, you also get in-laws,
That means your partner's family.
like mother-in-law and father-in-law.
You don't have to use those words if they feel hard. You can simply say, my husband's mom or my wife's dad.
Perfect.
Great. Now let's add a family photo moment because that happens a lot.
Yes, someone shows you a photo on their phone.
Or you're at home and you're looking at pictures together.
Oh, wow, is that your whole family?
Yeah, that's my parents, my sisters, and my grandparents.
You look a lot like your mom.
Really?
Yeah, same smile.
Thank you. People say I look like my dad too, especially in photos.
So you got both.
I guess so.
Who's that next to your mom?
That's my aunt, my mom's sister.
And the kids?
Those are my cousins.
Are you close with your cousins?
Some of them, yes. We don't see each other all the time, but when we meet, it's fun.
Nice.
My grandparents are very important to me. When I was a kid, I spent a lot of time with them.
That's sweet.
And one more real-life family topic. Sometimes relationships are not perfect.
Right, and we want to speak honestly but politely.
Because family is sensitive.
Okay, so imagine someone asks you, are you close with your brother?
It depends. We used to be very close, but now we're not as close.
Oh, what happened?
Nothing huge. We just have very different lives, and sometimes we misunderstand each other.
That happens.
Yeah, we still care about each other. We just need a little space sometimes.
That's a very healthy way to say it.
It depends is perfect when the answer is not a simple yes or no.
And not as close means you're still connected, but not like before.
Great. Now let's do short family stories you can copy.
Because stories help you speak more naturally.
We'll keep them simple with easy time words.
You can copy the structure and change the details.
Okay, here's my story. Last weekend, I visited my parents. First, we had breakfast together. Then, we went to the market and bought some food. After that, we went home and cooked lunch. In the afternoon, we drank tea and talked. Later, we watched a movie. It was a simple day, but it made me feel calm and happy.
That's a perfect simple weekend story. Here's mine. On Sunday, I visited my grandparents. They live in a small town. When I arrived, my grandma was cooking. We ate together, and she told me funny stories about the past. After lunch, my grandpa showed me old photos. We laughed a lot. Before I left, my grandma gave me food to take home. I felt really grateful.
Time words like first, then, after that, later, before I left make your story easy to follow.
And I felt grateful is a simple way to express a positive feeling.
All right, now it's your turn to speak.
We'll say a sentence about our own lives. Then you say one sentence about your life.
I'll go first. There are 5 of us in my family. Now you say your sentence with your real number.
My turn. I have 2 siblings. Now you say your sentence. Maybe I have 1 brother, or I'm an only child.
My turn. I'm the oldest. Or you can say I'm the youngest, or I'm the middle child. Now you say your sentence.
My turn. I'm close with my mom. Now you say your sentence. Mom, dad, parents, sister, brother. Who are you close with?
My turn. We stay in touch. Now you say how you stay in touch. Texting, calling, messaging.
My turn. In my family, we have lunch together on Sundays. Now you say one simple family tradition.
Great. And one extra practice sentence because it's very useful in real life. I live with my parents, or I live alone. Now you say your sentence.
Nice work.
Great. Now let's do a mini listening quiz.
We'll do a short dialogue, then one easy question. First one. So, do you have a big family?
Not really. There are 3 of us, my mom, my dad, and me.
Oh, so you're an only child.
Yes, I am.
Quick question. How many people are in her family? Answer, 3. Second one.
Are you close with your sister?
Yes, we are. We talk a lot and we get along well.
Quick question. Do they get along?
Yes, they get along well. Third one. Do you visit your parents often?
I try to. They live far away, so I visit every 6 weeks or so.
But you stay in touch.
Yes, we text and call.
Quick question. Why doesn't she visit often?
Answer, because they live far away. Nice work.
Now your comment challenge. Write 3 sentences about one family member. Keep it simple but real.
Here are a few examples. My mom is caring and supportive. Or, my dad is calm and funny. Or, my sister is younger than me and we get along well.
And if you can, add one tradition sentence. For example, in my family, we have lunch together on Sundays. Or, in my family, we visit my grandparents once a month. Or, in my family, we drink tea and talk after dinner.
The goal is simple. Real English you can actually use.
Now it's your turn. Answer today's comment question. Tell us one thing you usually do with your family.
And if you want, add 3 sentences about one family member. Keep it short, keep it real, and we'll read your comments.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We're your daily duo and your English-speaking buddies.